Hey, welcome back to another EdTech Throwdown video. This one is super cool. You're going to want to check it out if you are a teacher or if you have students that you want to create a gaming app, their own video game without using code. This is a video you're going to want to check out. All right, welcome to Breshna.io. This will be down in the video notes, but check it out. I mean, it is an awesome looking platform. But we are going to find ways in which we can make these types of games educational, and I think it's going to be very easy. But take a look at Breshna.io. This is the dashboard once you sign in. If you go down, we have several different templates of games that you can manipulate, and you do not need to know an ounce of code, which is awesome. So crossword puzzles, quiz games, scramble rambles, pairing. There's just so much here that we can do. I'm going to go ahead and select this guess a word. I'm going to hit create. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to fill out everything. So I'll be right back and I'll show you what I came up with. All right, so I finished setting up my game. This took literally 2 minutes. Take a look at the game info. I put guess the word, biology style. Education is my category, and I just put this template is perfect for questions with 1 to 3 word answers. In this case, we are going to use this game to practice our biology vocabulary words. And I went up to the top and I started making my levels. You can add as many levels as you want up here, but my level 1, I chose my hero, I chose my monster, my background, and my interface. All right, my word is photosynthesis. I put the hint in there, which is basically the definition of the photosynthetic equation, which describes photosynthesis. I put my category, and then I chose a closing answer. So maybe I only have 1 word or 1 to 3 words, and then at the end I want it to say what it is that they just went over, or what they just guessed. And then have a little prompt there. Without photosynthesis, oxygen-breathing organisms would not be able to survive. So that's my claim right there. I'll have them watch a video, and I put this in here. They could copy and paste, or I could give them another resource that says, hey, play this game, watch this video, and then explain the importance of plants to sustain life. And that would be their opening activity. So I'm going to go ahead and hit preview because that will show you exactly what the video game would look like. But before I go there, remember you could add more levels here. So just hit add level, you could add more words. So let's go into preview here. All right, it's going to pop up our game. We're going to go ahead and play. Easy, medium, and hard in this case. Easy, I think you get like 7 guesses or 7 wrong guesses of letters. Medium is 5, hard is 3. I know what the word is, but let's just show you medium. All right, it's gonna load this thing up and we are off to the races. So what I'm gonna do is click on all the letters real quick. I'll show you one incorrect one so you can see what it looks like. And it doesn't matter if you go in order or not. And the last one here. So now that I have it, here it is. All right, they're not going to be able to click on this link. I just figured that out, but I wanted to test it anyway, so we just got done testing it. But now we get to kind of give them further instruction here. They'll hit next, and since I only put in 1 word, that's it. But you could put in multiple words. They could play it as many times. They could do it on their own. You could do it as a class, whatever you want. But I just think Breshna.io is worth checking out. So please go check out Breshna.io.